Imagine get a chance to do what you love to do and make money along the way. Connect with your inspiration like never before. The only platform for creators to provide exclusive access to their content. Let me introduce you to the Sub Network. That's right. Now, I'm going to let you know the market cap is $74,000. Just to be transparent, it's a low cap coin that's building from the ground up. I love their concept. That's why I'm doing this video. I love the concept. Now, the liquidity is 17 days, but there's been rumors that them going to extend this. Just to let you know, Token Sniffer gets 100 out of 100. So it does have the safety and security in that area. 100 out of 100. But let me go back to this. All right. Imagine you making money doing what you want to do. And what I like about it is, first, it says it's free. Take less than a minute. So you can go ahead and get started for free on this page, right? And look behind here. Look below this. You have all these type of jobs. If you're a creator, artist, writer, musician, developer, it has all these type of things that's right here. Now, when I go down a little bit more, it's more to this as well. Give your audience an easy way to say thanks, so you can kind of build a page for them, like a thank you page or donation page that allows them to get involved. I also like the fact that they have monthly membership for your biggest fans, so you can have recurring income. So if you're a person that have a Patreon, it reminds me of like a Patreon page or a donation page in YouTube or something like that, but it's for crypto. It's inside crypto. So I'm like, this is actually a good idea. All right. And then also set a crowdfunding goal. So you can set a donation goal. Listen, we're going to go ahead and donate. We're going to raise money to help out the animals. You can actually do something like that and get your fans and get people involved. Commission on request and more features that's involved in here. It's like a one-stop shop for something you're trying to run. Donation, memberships, and much, much more. And then I mentioned 100 out of 100 and Token Sniffer score. Now, this is the place you need to go to at least get acquainted with the current community. There's 53, check that out. There's more than 53 people in there in the Sub Network. Go ahead and join that. Get introduced to them as well. I love the concept, and they have a white paper for you can go ahead and break this down as well. They're talking about the crypto donation where you can set up a donation page. Very simple. You even see that in here in seconds. In seconds. So I like the concept. I like the concept. Sub Network definitely has a roadmap, what they're trying to do. They are an early project. They're just getting started. And let's talk more about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, the captain's here. And just like Dogen said, hey, this reminds me of a version of a Patreon. It's kind of genius. He aped in. I can't tell you to ape in. Always do your research, not financial advice. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, when I look at this, it does kind of look like more of those donation type pages that you see. And you got that right here, but it's involved in cryptocurrency. Love the concept. I'm telling you, I do like the concept because it's very, very creative. Now, looking at Etherscan, there's 203 holders inside the ecosystem, okay? Now, 1 billion, I believe, in supply. So it's definitely early in this process. And I see Joe Grower name is already in here. I wonder, did he pick up some tokens up myself? That's actually pretty genius if he did that. But anyway, by looking at some of the wallets, it's evening out, and it's really, really good for promotion. So here are the utilities for Sub Network. It has voting rights, and sub holders can vote to determine the platform decisions, such as setting platform fees, selecting the best producer of the month, and more. All platform fees are used for buyback tokens. And then number 3, 4, and 5 is basically within the platform, okay? The SUP sub token fee is used to pay the Patreon top creator. Then you have the token holder not charged for using the platform. And also the holders can they can promote products on the platform, burn pay using the sub promotion, and much, much more here. Looking this at again, 203 holders. Let me go back and refresh this page. I think it's 202 holders inside here. Check it out if it's something you want to do. I do think it's a good concept to do. Bring in like pretty much a version of Fiverr. I would say Fiverr, Patreon, a little bit of Telegram, a little bit of like, donation kind of thing. all into one, and it's involved in cryptocurrency. So look at this. Sub and other crypto payments are everywhere. And so look at that. This looks like the payment look like. So you got the Sub network. They could take Sub tokens, of course, Ethereum, Binance. So they can take payments. So if you got something in business, or if you want to start some type of membership site or a donation area, this could be for you, and have them pay in Sub tokens or Binance, and then you could be a holder of all that as well. So it definitely kind of can, help things out. You kind of build your own base within the base. All right, but what I want you to do is check out the Telegram group, do your research. I've done some of the research for you. Token snippet score is good. The liquidity is 17 days locked, but there's room for them extending it out. $74,000 market cap. There are some buys that's been coming in as well. So I want you to do your research, look at the white paper, Telegram. I think you'll like the concept at least. And for if anything else, at least start for free right here. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The Captain's here. I do enjoy making money doing what you love to do, and I want you to do that as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.